interested in knowing a little bit more about where things are at with the Teagle Foundation, what's been going on, particularly since that last interview with our Humanities magazine.
Right. Well, our foundation is dedicated rather passionately to the proposition that all students who go to college in this country, and that means 2 year colleges as well as 4 year colleges, ought to have the opportunity to reflect on their lives and to think about what kind of person they want to be when they move on into the adult world. And we think that that means that they have a right to expect what we used to call liberal education. That is a broad education that exposes them to ideas and works of literature and art and the realities of history, much of which is under stress on our college campuses. That is, most of the emphasis in college today is on job preparation, acquisition of skills for the workplace, which is very important, and every college has a responsibility to provide that for its students. But we don't want to lose that aspect of college which has to do with reflection and a growth of the mind to incorporate perspectives from other people. So we're committed to the cause of liberal education.